What's up, everybody? So, today, I got in this in the mail. Wasn't quite sure really what to think about it. But then I noticed, let me show y'all the piece. Where's it at? Daily deals all season. And I seen that on Amazon. I was expecting something, but I was expecting it tomorrow, not today. So, I got the Echo, I believe it's the Echo Dot 3. So, we're going to do a little unboxing video as to how is this going to plan out. Packaging was pretty good. Everything was good. It was open because I opened it earlier because, like I said, I wasn't really expecting anything. And when I thought it was this, I wanted to make sure. So I got the Echo 3 and the smart light bulb. And whoa, let me show y'all that. So I guess this little smart light bulb, you connect it to this Echo thing, turn it on, turn it off, and do all kinds of good stuff with it. It is app enabled, so you can do it on your phone, your tablet, iPad. What the fuck? Well, shit. I don't know what to think about this. Hopefully the product is not damaged. So now here we go with this. So let's see what this is about, because this is literally my first Alexa product. Got a couple things from Amazon. I'm an Amazon Prime member, but never really got an Alexa product until now. So let's see how this looks. Okay. Cool dot. Represented Amazon, alright. I got sandstone. I'm not 100% too sure what that color is, but I had a little example of it. It looked nice. So it has plastic, as you guys can see in here. Let's see what else is in the box. Okay, so this should be a little instructions right here. And this is just things you could try to do with it. Ask it or whatever, talk to it. Alright, cool with that, Give you little things, examples. Oh, look. So this would have to be the charger. This is, what kind is it? Oh, damn, alright. So it's one of those chargers. Sucks. And that's it for the box, nothing else. They come in a little cool little box. So let's see what this is. So I guess this has to get continuous power from my AC outlet. Thankfully, I have one right here. Alrighty then. Let's do this. Let's get this thing on. Put the phone down a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So I started doing this color as soon as I plugged it in. I just plugged it in. According to the instructions, like in about a minute or so after this blue light, she just told me hello and greet me and I don't know what. And told me to fucking settle with the Alexa. Oh, here's some shit.
Hello. Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Okay, I'm not gonna do that right now. But what I am gonna do is open this up. Now I figure since it's already like partially open from the bottom, I'm just gonna open it from the bottom. That is the bottom. Now it should just come out, yo. Looks like any ordinary night bought. Nothing too sassy, nothing too special. Right? Let me get that on there a little bit. Backwards. Sun Gold. Now this was a little combo for Black Friday. Okay, well, that's that. Let me see what this could do. Has Bluetooth, has Alexa audio. Boy, try this one. Oh, hope you guys enjoy the video. If you have any questions, put them down in the question mark.